Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to go back to the old Outlook or get the classic look in Outlook 2019 or 365. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you found that your Outlook email app has converted to the new version of Outlook recently released by Microsoft, the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this slider where it says New Outlook. You need to turn that off. And then you don't have to give any feedback here. You can just click on skip feedback. It'll close Outlook and then we'll open back up the Microsoft 365 Outlook or the Outlook 2019 that you have installed. And then if you want to get the classic ribbon back or the classic view, and your view looks like this, you can just click on this arrow icon here and then click on classic ribbon. And that's going to bring back the classic look of Microsoft Outlook. I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.